Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Mazda 3 sedan, stock reference number 5755. The shape runs from the 6th month 2006 through to the 10th month 2013. It has an LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has no damage, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish or boot lid garnish, boot lid has no damage, tidy rear bumper cover, right hand boot lid garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both right hand doors and guard have no damage, right power door mirror and right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, 6-stack CD player, display screen, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.